Hey there. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is not just another meditation. This is a self-healing journey, one that awakens the energy inside your heart, flows through every cell of your body, and rebuilds you from within. If you've ever felt tired, stuck, or disconnected from your strength, then this 8-minute guided healing meditation is for you. Because today, we're not just relaxing. We're activating your body's natural power to heal, renew, and thrive. So wherever you are, sitting, lying down, or resting in a chair, let this moment be yours. Let it be sacred. Let it be the beginning of something stronger. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Let your body settle. Let your mind soften. Release all tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Let go completely. Now breathe in long, slow, and deep. Fill your lungs fully and gently release the breath. Again, inhale deeply. Feel the air flowing in. And exhale, letting everything go. One more time, breathe in slowly, deeply, and as you breathe out, feel your entire body relaxing, heavier, calmer, at peace. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Just observe it, flowing in, flowing out. And now, bring your awareness to your heart, behind your chest, in the center of your being. Imagine a soft, glowing energy spinning gently. This is your heart's energy center, warm, alive, powerful. Feel it, a quiet pulse of light, growing stronger with each breath. Now see this energy begin to move. It flows gently into your left shoulder, warming every muscle, every cell, filling them with strength. Your left shoulder is healing, becoming powerful. From there, it moves down your left arm, through your elbow, your forearm, your wrist. Every fiber, every nerve, every cell is being energized, healed, strengthened. Now it reaches your left palm, spreading into each finger, warming your entire hand. Feel the energy pulsing here, alive, vibrant, full of life. And now, this healing light flows back up from your hand to your wrist, your arm, your shoulder, and returns to your heart. Your entire left arm is now filled with energy. Strong, healthy, whole. Now, feel the energy shift. It moves down into your abdomen, wrapping around your stomach, your liver, your intestines, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas. Every organ glowing with healing light, restored, balanced, alive. You can feel it. Everything is beginning to heal. Everything is becoming whole again. Now, the energy flows into your left hip joint. Every cell, every tendon, every bone, bathed in light, strengthened, rebuilt, renewed. From your hip, it moves into your left knee. Every ligament, every artery, every muscle, healing deeply, Your knee is becoming strong, stable, pain-free. Now, the light flows into your left foot, down through your ankle, your heel, your toes. Every cell is energized, healed, revitalized. And now, the energy flows back, up through your foot, your ankle, your knee, your hip, cleansing, strengthening, healing every step of the way, and returns once more to your heart. Now, feel the energy move across to your right hip, spreading into every cell, every joint, filling your right side with power, with healing, with life. It flows down into your right knee, stronger now, more stable, completely healed, into your right foot, every part of it glowing with energy, healthy, balanced, alive, back up through your leg, your hip, and returns to your heart. Now, radiating strength through your entire lower body. Now, the energy rises up through your spine into your pelvic region, healing every organ, every cell, restoring vitality, strength, balance. And now, it flows into your throat, your neck, your vocal cords. Every cell becoming stronger, more resilient, protected, healthy, clear. This energy is now your shield against stress, fatigue, illness. It's strengthening your immune system, fighting off every imbalance. Now, feel the light rise into your brain, into every neuron, every pathway. Each one glowing brighter, firing stronger, healing from within. All mental fog, all anxiety, all fear is being washed away. Your mind is becoming clear, calm, confident. Your brain is releasing natural antioxidants. Repairing cells, building resilience. You are healing from depression, from fear, from overthinking. Your mind is becoming your greatest ally. And now, the energy flows back, down through your throat, and returns to your heart. Now feel your right shoulder lighting up. Every cell, every muscle, being filled with healing energy. Down through your right arm, your elbow, your forearm, your hand. Every part of it becoming strong, healthy, vibrant. Back up through your arm, your shoulder, and into your heart. Now, the energy rises into your neck and once again into your brain, completing the full cycle. Your entire body is now glowing with energy. Every organ, every cell, every breath is in perfect harmony. You feel it, don't you? A deep, powerful strength rising within you. Joy, peace, confidence. Your heart is dancing with joy. Your lungs are breathing freely. Your body is alive, renewed, reborn. Take a moment Just feel this. This is self-healing. This is your power. Now, gently begin to notice your surroundings. The sounds around you, the air on your skin. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. You are not the same person who started this meditation. You are stronger, healthier, more alive. If you just experienced even a fraction of this healing power, then I want you to do something right now. Commit to 8 minutes a day. Just 8 minutes. That's all it takes to transform your body, your mind, and your life. Do this every day, and you will feel your energy rise, your immunity grow, your joy expand. And if this meditation brought you peace, strength, or hope, please leave a comment below. Tell me how you feel. Your words inspire others. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell, because every week, I bring you powerful guided meditations to heal your body, awaken your soul, and attract abundance into your life. This is more than meditation. This is a lifestyle of healing, power, and prosperity. Thank you so much for being here, for trusting this process, for choosing yourself. With deep gratitude and endless peace,